I'm Jerry Peterson. I'm 71 years old. I had a procedure on my right shoulder when I was 65 years old. The procedure, from a layman's perspective, included rotator cuff repair, fixing a severed bicep tendon, and grinding down some bone spurs. I found Dr. Chopp because the physical therapist I was going to avoid surgery ultimately said, "I can't fix what's wrong with your shoulder. You need to see a shoulder doctor." I said, "Do you know any?" And she said, "Dr. Chopp is very good." By the time I got to surgery, mostly I wasn't using that right arm for anything, so a lot of pain. I did at the time and do appreciate his straightforward manner in discussing what's wrong, maybe wrong, the risks, the benefits, to the point that now, 6 years later, I'm getting ready to schedule repair to the other shoulder with Dr. Chopp. I highly recommend the shoulder clinic and Dr. Chopp. Besides coming out of it with a good shoulder, I even got a hat that says Shoulder Clinic of Idaho.